Hello everyone, my name's Amanda Mazzoni, and today I wanted to share with you why I love my heat pump. And for me, it's really why I love my heat pump and air sealing and insulation projects. So the two combined have made our home much more efficient and much more comfortable to live in than it was beforehand. So we actually installed a dual fuel cold climate air source heat pump, which works together with our natural gas furnace, which is behind me. The coil for the heat pump is built right within inside, so it looks pretty much the same as it did before, and the outdoor unit looks just like an air conditioning unit. So there's really not much to see here, but the heat pump is able to provide cooling, which we did not have in our home beforehand, as well as heating in the winter. And we typically use the heating down to about 20 degrees outside from the heat pump, and then it switches over to the natural gas. Although this winter we likely will be using the heat pump for more of our heating needs because of the significant increase in natural gas pricing that we are expecting. So in order to be most economical and efficient, we will be really monitoring that pricing issue and switching our controls as we see fit. So with the insulation project, we had insulation blown into our walls as well as our attic, as well as spray foam on our rim joist in our basement. And so I'll just kind of show you what that looks like here. And so these projects really helped our to control the temperature in our home, especially on the second floor, where we were seeing some significant differences in temperature from what we were setting the thermostat to and what the temperature upstairs really was. And so this became especially important when we had our son a year and a half ago, and we were noticing on his baby monitor that even with the air conditioning on or even with the heating on, it wasn't anywhere near what we were setting the controls to, or what we were hoping the temperature would be. So you can see here now, here he is napping, and his monitor shows that it is 65 degrees in that room, and we have set the heat at 65 degrees. So our home is now able to perform how we ask it to via the thermostat. And so we are very happy with our heat pump and the insulation project. And that's why I love our heat pump and insulation, because we're able to be comfortable. We can control how much heating and cooling is needed, as well as how much fossil fuels we're using in our home.